Are you wondering what it means to be a feminine woman and how to cultivate your feminine traits? If so, you are not alone. Many women today are confused about their femininity and how to express it in a positive and authentic way. In this video, we will explore the concept of femininity, the benefits of being a feminine woman, and the common feminine traits that you should have. We will also give you some tips on how to embrace your feminine energy and enhance your feminine qualities. Femininity is a complex and multifaceted concept that can be defined in different ways. However, one way to understand it is as a set of qualities, behaviors, and attitudes that are traditionally associated with women and girls. Femininity is not something that is fixed or innate, but rather something that is learned and influenced by various factors, such as culture, society, family, and personal preferences. Therefore, there is no one right way to be feminine, and every woman can express her femininity in her own unique way. Femininity is important because it is part of your identity and personality. It is also a source of strength, beauty, and joy. By being a feminine woman, you can celebrate your womanhood, honor your nature, and express your true self. Being a feminine woman has many benefits, both for yourself and for others. Some of the benefits are: you can attract and maintain healthy and fulfilling relationships with men who appreciate and respect your femininity. You can feel more confident, attractive, and comfortable in your own skin. You can tap into your intuition, creativity, and emotional intelligence, which can help you make better decisions and solve problems. You can nurture and care for yourself and others, creating a positive and supportive environment. You can enjoy life more and have more fun, as you are more open to new experiences and opportunities. Embracing your feminine energy means being in touch with your inner essence and allowing it to flow freely. It also means balancing your feminine and masculine energies, which are both present in everyone, regardless of gender. Some ways to embrace your feminine energy are: dress in a way that makes you feel feminine, whether it is wearing dresses, skirts, jewelry, or makeup. Move your body in a way that makes you feel feminine, such as dancing, yoga, or stretching. Listen to music that makes you feel feminine, such as soft, soothing, or romantic songs. Use your senses to enjoy the beauty and pleasure of life, such as smelling flowers, tasting delicious food, or feeling the sun on your skin. Meditate, pray, or practice gratitude to connect with your spiritual side and your higher power. While there is no definitive list of feminine traits, there are some qualities that are commonly seen as feminine and desirable. Here are 10 of them. Being intuitive means having a strong sense of intuition or gut feeling. It means being able to sense what is right or wrong, what is best for you or others, and what is going to happen next. Being intuitive can help you to make decisions quickly and accurately, without needing to overthink things. Being compassionate means having a deep connection with your empathy, which makes you more understanding and caring when it comes to the issues and feelings of others. It means being able to put yourself in someone else's shoes and feel what they feel. Being compassionate can help you to build trust and rapport with others, as well as to heal yourself and others. Being creative means having a unique perspective on things and being able to create something new and original. It means being able to express yourself through various forms of art, such as writing, painting, music, or design. Being creative can help you to find solutions, express your emotions, and enrich your life. Being nurturing means having a selfless love, care, and concern for others. It means being able to provide comfort, support, and guidance to those who need it. Being nurturing can help you to form strong bonds with others, as well as to grow and develop yourself. Being affectionate means being able to express your love and appreciation for others openly and warmly. It means being able to show your affection through physical touch, such as hugs, kisses, or cuddles, or through verbal expressions, such as compliments, praise, or thank yous. Being affectionate can help you to make others feel loved and valued, as well as to feel loved and valued yourself. Being cooperative means being able to work well with others toward a common goal. It means being able to communicate effectively, listen actively, compromise, and collaborate. Being cooperative can help you to achieve more, learn more, and have more fun. Being communicative means being able to express your needs, wants, thoughts, and feelings verbally and non-verbally. It means being able to speak clearly, confidently, and respectfully. as well as to listen attentively, empathetically, and respectfully. Being communicative can help you to avoid misunderstandings, resolve conflicts, and build relationships. Being sensitive means being in tune with your emotions and the emotions of others. It means being able to feel deeply, passionately, and intensely. Being sensitive can help you to be more compassionate, creative, and expressive. Being expressive means being able to show your emotions and personality through your words, actions, and appearance. It means being able to be yourself and let others see who you are. Being expressive can help you to be more authentic, confident, and attractive. Being resilient means being able to bounce back from difficulties and challenges. It means being able to cope with stress, adversity, and change. Being resilient can help you to be more optimistic, flexible, and courageous. While some feminine traits may come naturally to you, others may require some effort and practice. Here are some ways to cultivate your feminine traits. Practice self-care. Self-care is the act of taking care of your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. It means doing things that make you feel good, such as eating well, sleeping well, exercising, relaxing, or pampering yourself. By practicing self-care, you can boost your self-esteem, self-respect, and self-love, which are essential for being a feminine woman. Connect with nature. Nature is a powerful source of feminine energy, as it is full of life, beauty, and harmony. By connecting with nature, you can reconnect with your own nature and feel more grounded, calm, and balanced. You can connect with nature by spending time outdoors, such as walking, gardening, or camping, or by bringing nature indoors, such as having plants, flowers, or crystals in your home. Express your emotions. Emotions are a vital part of your femininity, as they allow you to feel and experience life fully. By expressing your emotions, you can release any negative or pent-up feelings, as well as share your positive and joyful feelings. You can express your emotions by talking to someone, writing in a journal, crying, laughing, or doing something creative. Be open to learning. Learning is a way of expanding your mind, your knowledge, and your skills. By being open to learning, you can discover new things, challenge yourself, and grow as a person. You can be open to learning by reading books, taking courses, watching videos, or asking questions. Surround yourself with positive people. Positive people are those who inspire you, support you, and bring out the best in you. By surrounding yourself with positive people, you can feel more happy, confident, and motivated. You can surround yourself with positive people by joining groups, clubs, or communities that share your interests, values, or goals, or by reaching out to your friends, family, or mentors. Being a feminine woman is not about being weak, submissive, or dependent. It is about being strong, confident, and independent in your own way. It is about embracing your womanhood, honoring your nature, and expressing your true self. By being a feminine woman, you can enjoy many benefits, such as attracting and maintaining healthy relationships, feeling more confident and attractive, tapping into your intuition and creativity, nurturing and caring for yourself and others, and enjoying life more.